guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video guys is about my oil change to my car and a small unboxing. The small unboxing guys is a big box but a small one inside. See ya. Thank you guys for watching. You guys see that? That's the way to go. If you guys see that, I'll just pull out right there. You guys see? I'm going inside guys, so go. Okay guys, I am here now inside the car dealer. So I can come and get our oil change. So I need to wait an hour. Okay guys, this is what I pay for my oil change. There you go, $81.15. So that's my oil change guys. Thank you. Unboxing na natin itong small box. Ang laman ay YSL na lipstick. Wow! Ang laki ng box. Ang laki ng box. Ang liit ang laman. There you go guys. This is my unboxing for today. You see that? Huge box is small stuff inside. You see? And this video is non-sponsor. You see it? This is what is inside my box. The color is pink. Oh la la, it's so pretty, isn't it guys? Is it so pretty color? Mga lovers na pink. You see it? That's the number. So pretty. You see the color? Okay guys, thank you again for watching. This is from my SL. Thank you, God bless. And bye. See you guys later. That's the color guys. You see it? I'll try that and I'm gonna see. Okay? Bye.